See you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today guys we do something is typical Italian. We're gonna cook a beef, a nice 2 steaks of beef fillet in green pepper with cream, Dijon mustard, butter, double cream and stock. Well, I say already the ingredient, but anyway, we need a nice 2 fillet steak. Is they going around 220 grams, but you can cut the steak you like. We need some flour, salt and pepper. This is vegetable stock, double cream. We need a shot of brandy, Dijon mustard, green pepper and butter. It's very quick. Ask your butcher to put a couple of strings around the fillet, and my pan is already on, hot. What we're gonna do? We put some salt, a little bit, massage, as well a little bit of pepper, not much, because we wanna put in the flour this first, okay? Now what we can do? A gentle put in the flour, like it is. Now my butter in, quite be nice generous, okay? And we start to put fillet inside. Now this fillet, guys, depend how do you like, but the fillet please not well done, but if you like well done you can do it. Anyway, gonna be your dinner. We're gonna cook this because I like medium. Gonna be around 4 minutes per side, but each side and on the side as well. Okay. See you soon. Okay, guys. Look. Now it's time to turn it. You know, only a nice cross. And you're gonna do this for if this the butter is just add some butter, okay? And you're gonna do this for all fillet. Now another couple minutes from this side, and later we're gonna do from this side all the way around. And when it's done, we're gonna do the next step, okay? Try to make the fillet how nice you like, okay? Okay guys, for me this is okay, you know. There's everyone like different. Now it's time we have to put some brandy, or no, take out from the flame because it can be fire on, no? So put everything like this on the side, put the brandy on, like this. If you want to play, it is like this. And wait, I think I burned some hair, but leave to the alcohol go out. Oh, look at that, it's fantastic. Now take that flavor again on, and now it's time to add some mustard. Okay, mustard in. This is 2 tablespoons of mustard. Okay, need to reduce a little bit to melt a little bit. Now we add some green pepper, some cream, the flame strong one, and a touch of stock. And now guys, leave to cook a little bit more here. Look mess, but now we're gonna reduce this sauce and take your spoon and help yourself like this, because still cooking a little bit more. And we're gonna do this around 3-4 minutes, and it's ready to eat. Okay, see you soon. Okay guys, for me, my taste, this fillet, you know, when you touch like that, is nice and red, you know. For me it's done. I leave here already to rest a little bit. Now we finish this sauce, you know. I leave to reduce a little bit, and in a couple minutes is ready. In this time we give the fillet to rest a little bit, and later I can wait to try it. And always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel, and check out our website cookingwithanitalia.com. This fillet gonna be absolutely al bacio, delicious. See you when the sauce is ready, couple minutes. So it's nice and thick, turn it off, and now it's time just to try the nice fillet. Cut the string. 1 and 2. It's gonna be perfect this. Oh, look at that. It's exactly what I was expecting. Just to test it, okay, guys. Absolutely a masterpiece. It's absolutely delicious, guys. So delicate, guys. My green pepper beef fillet is this. Absolutely delicious. The pepper, if you like, finger up. Follow us. Ciao.